11 Mile Lake. Paul's getting a serious workout here. We're making him work for it as we go up these stairs. Paul, I know you're doing the physical labor, but somebody's got to get footage. Where's Brooklyn?
That is terrible. Oh my gosh.
Better the second time?
No. Still same.
Look at that Adonis right here. "11 Mile down here." Here we go. Paul's next. So cold. Water's nice and warm? Yeah. Yeah, freaking cold. Got a bad spot up here at the top of some of the rock outcroppings here at 11 Mile. Swam out there. Then comes to this top. Tell me, Brooke, what you like about 11 Mile State Park.
I love the mountains all the way around. The water's just beautiful.
Yeah.
Fun little boulders to climb. Yeah.
That's true. Yeah, water's really clean. You are not supposed to jump in here, but apparently we do every now and then. Oh, and you like this spot?
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing? Pretzels?
Maybe. I think skipping rocks. Skipping rocks is fun.
Oh, nice. Emerson, tell me what your favorite thing about this place is.
Going swimming.
You like going swimming? Yeah. Was it cold though?
Yes.
Yes. Uncle Paul would say yes too.
It was very cold.
Oh, you had a good time. Paul, you enjoyed it?
Yes, sir.
Good time here at 11 Mile.